Dear students, today I am going to teach you the lesson The 100 Dresses Part 1. Elbisor Esther. Elbisor Esther sees Elbisor Esther is a renowned, means highly famous and respected author, means writer. She is known for her children's story, means she has written to inspire the morality of the children, means to give moral lessons to the children. She has written many compositions, many stories. The 100 Dresses is one of her famous writing, means 100 Dresses story. It is her famous writing, means this becomes very famous among the children. She hailed from the US and was born in West Haven. Some of her famous work include Ginger Pie, the Maffats series, The Echoing Green, Ellie, and many others. These are her famous literary works which have made her famous among the children as well as the scholars. She was awarded the Newbery Medal. This is the great respect of the scholar getting this medal for literature. And she was awarded the Newbery Medal, means this the medal which is given for literary composition, literary work, and that work is the Ginger Pie. This is about the lesson. The 100 Dresses is a story based on a real experiences of the writer. Means this story 100 Dresses is a story which is based on, जो आधारित है, a real experiences, वास्तविक अनुभवों पर of the writer. It is about a girl, means this story is about a girl who is teased by her classmates, जो चिढ़ाई जाती है, और किसके द्वारा? अपने क्लासमेट्स के द्वारा. The girl was Wanda, who always claims for having 100 dresses. उस लड़की का नाम वांडा है। हु ऑलवेज क्लेम्स, जो हमेशा दावा करती है। और किस बात का? फॉर हैविंग 100 डिशेस, कि शी हैड 100 डिशेस। हर क्लासमेट्स ऑलवेज मेड फन ऑफ हर, उसके जो क्लासमेट्स हैं वो हमेशा उसका मजाक उड़ाते थे। और क्यों? एज, चूंकि हर क्लेम वाज इन contradiction, her claim was in contradiction. Contradiction means contention, fission, विरोध भाव पैदा करना। तो हर क्लेम was in contradiction, in fission, in contention to the fact that she always came to school wearing the same dress. वो हमेशा स्कूल आया करती थी एक ही ड्रेस पहनकर, सेम ड्रेस पहनकर ही आया करती थी। एंड she always claimed that she had 100 dresses. तो it was a contradiction or fission or contention, एक विरोध का भाव है कि वो कहती तो थी कि उसके पास 100 ड्रेसेस हैं, 100 ड्रेसेस हैं, लेकिन she always came where? To school wearing or putting on the same dress. Her classmates assumed her name to be funny. उसके क्लासमेट्स ने उसका नाम हास्यजनक बना दिया था, फनी बना दिया था। फनी मीन्स शी वॉज कॉल्ड फनी। क्यों? हर नेम वॉज नॉट कॉमन, उसका जो नाम था वो कॉमन नहीं था। Therefore, she was called funny by classmates. Why was her name not common? Because she came to an American टाउन, वो एक अमेरिकन टाउन से आई थी। और किसके रूप में? पॉलिस। पॉलिस इज अ लोकल लैंग्वेज ऑफ दैट टाउन ऑफ अमेरिका। पॉलिस एमिग्रेंट, and emigrant means a person who comes to take a permanent residence. Means she spoke Polish language and she came there to live permanently with her family. The truth about her 100 dresses, ये जो सत्यता है उसकी 100 dresses की, कि she always claimed that she had 100 dresses So this truth, this fact about her 100 essays revealed, खुलता है या खुल गया when she submitted, जब उसने सबमिट की, सबमिट का मतलब प्रस्तुत किया, her 100 different drawings in a drawing competition. ड्राइंग कंपटीशन में जब उसने 100 ड्रेसेस की ड्राइंग्स प्रस्तुत की, तब ये फैक्ट, ये सत्यता खुली। दे वर द सेम 100 ड्रेसेस, ठीक उसी प्रकार की वे 100 ड्रेसेस थीं दैट शी यूज टू डिस्क्राइब ऑफ हिम, जिसके बारे में वो प्रायः बातें किया करती थी। All of those dresses were extremely beautiful, means all those dresses which she had made or painted, they were extremely, means beyond proper limit, beautiful. It was the introduction of the lesson. I will teach you the detailed explanation of this lesson in the next video. Thank you very much.